How to create a public profile on Snapchat. How to get create public profile option for any Snapchat account. I will show you in this video. Creating a public profile allows people to discover your content in the discover section. In straight words, a public profile lets your content be discovered by the whole public, not only your friends. If you have a public profile, anyone can search and find your content without being friends with you on Snapchat. But this, you can also post content on Snapchat Spotlight. Using this tutorial, anyone can have a public profile just like any influencer on Snapchat. If you are an influencer, this video is a must watch for you. So let's see how you can have your public profile on Snapchat very easily. Remember this, it's your choice which content you want to share on your public profile for all public. It doesn't mean anything you share will be public. The public profile will just be a part of your Snapchat account, not your whole Snapchat. You can still send streaks to friends privately and use other basic profile features without issues. To create a public profile, you must be registered as 18 plus on Snapchat. If you have an under 18 Snapchat account, you won't be able to create a public profile. To create it, you have to make a new account and register yourself above 18 while creating it. Open Snapchat. Open your profile section. In the Spotlight and Snap Map section, tap on this tiny icon of options. Here you have got the much awaited feature of create public profile. Now hit create public profile. Snapchat tells you what comes with creating a public profile. Hit get started. Create. Now your public profile has been created. You can add spotlight and stories to show to your profile visitors. You can also add a cover photo to your public profile. By tapping on the edit profile button, you get the ability to add a bio, location and subscriber count to your public profile. After setting up all this, preview how your public profile looks to the general public by preview profile button. To share your public profile, tap on these three dots and the share profile option. Also, you always have the option to delete your public profile and all its content if you feel it's not right for you anymore. So I showed you the simplest way to create a public profile on Snapchat. Let me tell you a secret. Do you know you can send snaps on Snapchat from saved photos and videos on your phone? Watch this video to know how.